Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change date and time in Windows. First of all, click on the search bar down here and type for change date and time and click this change date and time option, and here you need to set the time zone automatically to off and then the set time automatically to off, and you can change the time zone and pick what time zone you want to use. And then you also can change the date and time manually by inputting the date, the month, the date, and the year, and also the time, the hour, the minute, and so on. Then after you done change the date and time, click this change button, and the date and time already changed to your choice. And you can confirm the date in the bottom right corner here. And yeah, that's how to change date and time in Windows. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and see you in the next video. Bye.